Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am just about to start doing my makeup and my hair. I just got dressed. I've been using this Prequel moisturizer and I really like it because it sits nicely under my makeup. I'm gonna use these bronzing drops because I've not been getting in the sun a whole lot and I feel pale. I have Mason in the cutest outfit today. I'll show you guys after I'm done doing my makeup. I just got to Target. I have Mason with me, who just woke up. We're gonna hope he does okay in here. But I'm going in here to see if I can find some new clothes, guys, because I am struggling. I feel like I need a factory reset on my whole closet. Like, since becoming a mom, all the stuff that I used to wear just doesn't work for me anymore. It either doesn't fit because like my hips are wider, my boobs are bigger, or it's just like not the vibe anymore because I feel like now that I'm a mom, I just like don't want to wear the things I used to wear. Does that resonate with anyone else? I just like, I'm different now. Like, I need a new wardrobe. So I'm just gonna do a little shopping in here. I also need to list stuff on Poshmark desperately. Just discovered I can balance this little basket on the stroller, so that's a win. One of the main things I wanted to look at was jeans while I was here because none of my jeans fit me anymore. I love that Target has Levi's now. Well, they have for a while, honestly. I don't know why I'm saying now. I don't know if I like these. I'm in this tiny little fitting room with Mason. I just tried these jeans on and I actually really like them. They're like barrel jeans. To show you guys when I get home because I'm struggling right now. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, wait, I actually like these better. These are the Levi's ones. Conveniently, much more expensive, but super cute and like flowy. I just found this top on the clearance rack for $10. I just like don't like the way I look in anything because of this. Like, they're just big. I can't wait till Mason has better head control and I can put him in one of these little bouncers. Guess I'm just gonna walk around like this because he's losing his mind if I put him down. I kind of knew this would happen if I came out, but whatever. This is too cute. We're getting it. He would look really cute in this. I'm getting everything 9 months because he's outgrowing everything so fast. I heard these are really good for them at this age. Like, you put them on their wrist, they rattle. It's just kind of fun when he can't really hold anything yet. The other thing I'm thinking about getting is one of these two things for tummy time because Mason gets bored of tummy time. I need like more entertainment for him. This is kind of cool too. He likes things that light up and make noise, and I feel like this looks pretty cool. So maybe we'll get this. Like, that looks awesome. Okay, we survived Target. I'm not even gonna lie, I went down the wrong row looking for my car with pushing Mason and my 2 giant bags. And I'm like looking like a fool because I went like all the way down on the wrong row, and then I was like, oh, this is not where I parked. And I just remembered that I had 2 Target gift cards and I forgot to use them. And I just spent like $300 at Target and forgot the gift cards. Why am I this way? We made it back home and I am gonna get Mason set up with a snoo toy. Just threw in this frozen pizza from Sprouts for lunch. These are really good. The cheese isn't the best, but the margarita and the mushroom one are so good. It is too cold today. Like, I live in Naples, my sister lives in Tampa, and in Tampa, which is a few hours north in Florida, I think they got snow flurries, which is crazy. I wasn't built for this cold weather. The high is like 60 today, and yes, I realize other places have it way worse. Oh, I need to tell you guys about this. This is not Summer Fridays. This is called Summer Special. It's like some off-brand that I found on Amazon. I got 4 of them for like $15 or something. And the Summer Fridays one, which I also have in here, was like $24 for one or something like that. And you can get $15 for 4, and they're really similar formulas. I mean, they even try to like make it look like the same packaging. I have this shade as well. This one is vanilla beige. The one that looks like this in the cheap brand is called Iced Coffee, and I have it as well, and then like 2 other colors. So definitely a good one. I'll find it and put it in the description because I was blown away by that. I got Mason right here, all bundled up in a blanket. About to get Mason dressed. And then we're gonna go build a lamp that I just got delivered from Amazon. I love your outfit. I just put Mason down for his morning nap, and we're about to build a lamp that I just bought online. So like, Ross and I have been trying to get rid of LED lights throughout our house because they're really bad for your nervous system. If you've ever like taken your phone and recorded around an LED light and you see that like flashing constantly, That is what our brains are constantly detecting around LED, if you didn't know, because I literally didn't know this until he told me about it. Because I used to have my whole apartment like filled with LED lights, and he like slowly converted me back then. And then obviously when we got our house, like we've just been like swapping out everything that's LED with additional incandescent bulbs. And so currently the floor lamps that I have from my apartment are LED, and you can't like swap out the bulb. So I wanted to get a different floor lamp, and I found this really cute one on Amazon. Let me show it to you guys. Here's what it looks like. Super cute. And it even came with a light bulb, but I know for sure this is gonna be LED. Anyways, it also has a remote, which I like. I just want to be able to sit on the couch and adjust this. You can like make it dim, and I really like the way this looks. I just put it in this corner. I think it looks really good. Apparently the remote controls the bulb, not the lamp itself, so the remote won't work, but whatever. It's still worth it to me. This has got to be the strangest sensory toy ever. Definitely stimulating to the senses. It's like a fidget toy. Just finished my nails for Valentine's Day, and I absolutely love how they came out. I just decided to do this like pink color, and I did some little white hearts, so it kind of looks like polka dots, but it's actually hearts. Super cute. It's a little bit later. We are on our sunset walk with Mason, and it's actually like so cold out. I never thought I'd say this, but I'm really over the cold weather, aren't you?
Florida's too cold.
Like, it's too cold.
Yeah, same Florida.
It's getting too cold.
Yeah.
Even though the rest of the world's dealing with like snow and stuff, like it is too cold.
I'm getting over my cold, so we'll be taking it easy and doing some stuff in the house.
Maybe we're gonna watch a movie.
Yep.
Honestly, staying inside is like my favorite. I literally prefer it, and I can say that truthfully because I'm such a homebody, and it's just like my favorite place to be. My sleepy boy. Wait, Instacart now has an option where you can select your produce preferences. I may never step foot into a grocery store again. Also, not sponsored, but if you guys want to use Instacart, you can save $10 by using my discount code. I'll put it in the description, and you'll get $10 off your first order. Also, the Siete is the best taco seasoning ever. Good morning, guys. I am making my coffee. I just finished my oatmeal. I actually noticed a direct impact on my milk supply on the days that I don't have oatmeal. Like, oatmeal is crazy for me in terms of lactation. I love me some oatmeal. I got these little teething toys for Mason. They have water in them, and you can put them in the freezer, and it's kind of like cooling. He's been putting his hands in his mouth so much now, so I think he's finally starting to teeth. And hopefully these help him. I'm just making a lemon pepper chicken and rice crock pot meal for dinner. I'm in the backseat of my car right now at Ross's job site. We're visiting him for lunch, and I was trying to breastfeed Mason, but he's getting way too distracted right now. He's like at this age now where everything is so interesting, and he just like keeps popping off and getting distracted. So we just stopped, and now I'm just sitting in the back seat, hanging out with him, waiting for Ross. Terrible angle because I'm in the back seat, but I want to show you guys. Look how cute Mason's outfit is today. Little button-up shirt, little shorts, and I put his shoes on. So cute. I'm back home, and I'm laying outside by the pool. I find it really funny that I was literally like a few days ago talking about how cold it is, and now it's like sunny and in the 70s, and I'm laying out by the pool. But Florida is literally like that. Like, we have a cold front and then it just goes back to being hot again. Trooper and Ranger are out here with me. Mason is still napping, so just enjoying a little bit of sun because I desperately need some sunshine. I feel like being a mom is the best thing in the world, but like my cortisol levels are spiked because you just like don't get a break. So being on all the time and having to like be present and essentially just like always working, even though it's the job that I love so much, it's like kind of stressful on your nervous system. So I feel like I have to be really intentional about taking time for myself now, which I haven't been doing, and that's what this is. I'm like, instead of just using his nap time to like run around and do all the other things, I'm trying to just like slow down for a minute because this is what my nervous system needs. Yeah, anyway. That's what I'm up to. Look who woke up and decided to join me. He's so intrigued by the pool, just staring at the fountain. It's very peaceful. Got him this little dinosaur hat on Amazon. It's so cute, but it's still a little too big. Mason just had his bath. We're about to get in our jammies, and then we're gonna pick a book to read. Which book are we gonna read? Here's our little book selection so far. I really like I Love You Like No Otter. I think we're gonna read that one.